What up, guys? Welcome to Pullback Effects YouTube channel. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about liquidity. Okay, so what is liquidity? In simple terms, liquidity is just the availability of an asset class. So this could be either currencies, stocks, indices, metals, or commodities, okay, or anything else that you can trade, such as oil, etc. Okay, so in other words, you must have a buyer to be a seller, and you must have a willing seller to be a buyer from any asset class. That is liquidity. Without a buyer or without liquidity, you won't be able to place a trade. So how do we interpret this in the market? It's fairly simple. There's only two forms of liquidity that we could buy or sell to. Okay, one of them is stop losses, and the second one is pending orders, such as buy stops and sell stops. Okay, so let's take a look at the graph here. Exactly where would you have a stop loss, or where does everybody teach you to have a stop loss? Okay, easy, right? If you're going to be a buyer, you will be placing your stop loss below an old low. If you're going to be a seller, you might be placing your stop loss above an old high. Okay, what about pending orders? How do people use pending orders? Well, it's fairly the same as stop losses, right? They put them above old buy stop. They put buy stops above old highs and sell stops below old lows. And sometimes they try to encapsulate a consolidation to, for example, for breakout traders that want to break out the range and don't miss that trade. Okay, so I want you to look at this class, this asset class. This is S&P 500, okay? And look very carefully on each old low and each old high. What exactly happens there? You can pause the video and analyze this before I tell you guys, okay? So pause the video. If not, I'll go ahead and tell you guys right now. All right, so I hope you guys pause the video to see if you're able to guess exactly what unique characteristics happens above each old high and below each old low. So let's go ahead and put our drawings here. And you can see that I drew a line above each old high and below each old low. We have a line above each old high and a line below each old low. Old high and old low. So you can see that price would reach for the liquidity above each old high. Okay, in this case we have one high, two highs. We have double tops here. A lot of traders would believe this is resistance, right? So anybody that went short here or sold in the market, they would be placing their stop losses above these old highs. Okay, these double tops. Price, what does price do? Comes up to take out all those sell stops accumulated here to sell to, all those stop losses in the form of buy stops to sell to. Okay, so price goes up, takes out liquidity, and what does it do? It reverses, or it runs back the other way sharply. And you can see how fast the moves there occurred compared to these little drops here. Okay, usually when there's liquidity taken, that's where you most likely will see these big moves occur. What do we have here? Old lows. We also have it in a form of double bottoms. Okay, price comes down to take out all that liquidity, and what happened? It reverses and moves sharply the other way. Then we have consolidation, right? Price consolidates. Anybody that was trying to sell this with these double tops, in the consolidation, they had all their stop losses above here. What does price do? It comes up, takes out all those stop losses, and reverses the other way sharply. Once again, we have price consolidating here. Below an old low, we have fairly equal lows as double bottoms. price comes down to take out all the sell stops or stop losses and reverses sharply the other way. Same we can see here and here. So now you know how to use liquidity in your favor and when to expect a currency, commodity, or whichever asset class that you trade, when to expect it to either reverse or just have a minor retracement. So just remember, not all support and resistance is your friend, since there will be liquidity above and old highs and below old lows. Okay, so with that said, I hope you like this lesson. Make sure to subscribe, comment, and like this video for any future lessons that you would like. Okay, I'll see you guys next time.